Welcome to my channel, Amazon Top Picks. Let me introduce the BLACK+DECKER 0.9Q KFTT portable washer. The BLACK+DECKER BPWM09W is a compact top-loading portable washer tailored for small living spaces like apartments, dorms, or RVs. With a 0.9 cubic foot drum holding up to 6.6 pounds, it accommodates light loads efficiently. Key features include 5 versatile wash cycles: heavy, normal, gentle, rapid, and soak, plus 3 water level options, small, medium, large, for customized cleaning. It operates on cold water only, with cycles running 19 to 52 minutes, and boasts a powerful spin that extracts up to 90% of moisture for faster air drying. The transparent lid allows monitoring, while an LED display simplifies controls. Mobility is enhanced by built-in rollers, side handles, and an adjustable leg. Setup is straightforward with included quick connect sink adapter and drain hose, requiring no permanent plumbing. Pros shine in its user-friendliness and space efficiency. Effortless installation and operation make it ideal for beginners or those avoiding laundromats, saving time and money. Cleaning performance impresses for delicates and everyday wear, leaving clothes fresh and nearly dry, with relatively quiet operation compared to rivals. At around $200–300, it offers strong value for singles or couples. Cons temper enthusiasm. The limited capacity demands frequent loads for families or bulky items like towels, potentially shortening machine lifespan if overloaded. Cold water restriction hinders stain removal on heavily soiled fabrics, and some users report hose leaks or finicky agitation requiring tweaks. Plastic components feel budget grade and reliability varies, with occasional motor concerns under heavy use. Overall, it earns a solid 4.25 rating for niche convenience, but larger households may outgrow it quickly. Thanks for watching. To purchase the item, simply click the link below. If you enjoy our channel, please subscribe now. You will not miss any future videos.